Hello and very welcome. I just got back from Fusion Festival 2025. I had a gig there and was crazy. So I'm super inspired by making some new music, and I want to kick off my motivation by another Reese Bass tutorial. And my idea is to show you how to create a Reese Bass just with one oscillator. And the way I want to achieve this is like I'm going to show you now. I want to use Vital. So let's go for Vital here. Vital, there you go. Can't hear anything. Now. Okay, so let's go for basic shapes. Let me go here for basic shapes. Then we have a sine wave. And let's turn the sine wave in a saw wave. And to achieve this typical Reese Bass approach, we can do it very simple by modulating the pulse here. Pulse width, just let's say we modulate it here with a beat LFO. And let's say we go halfway like this, and let's have a listen how that does sound. Now we're already getting there. Let's reduce a bit. And here we are, already got a nice Reese sound. You can also play here with a little bit with the shape. Yeah, it does already sound nice. So probably let's add a chorus, but let's just add it in a certain frequency bandwidth. Therefore I choose the multiband FX and put the chorus just here in the high part of the frequency bandwidth. Chorus. There we go. Probably here. It creates already some movement. Okay, let's go for some distortion. Let's take another multiband and let's add some saturation. Let's disable, of course, the low-pass filter here and probably choose some nice preset shapes here. Let's go for... Let's go here, then add another one here in the midst. Filter plus, disable the low-pass and also add distortion. Let's go for let's take this one and also some saturation. I don't know if you can hear it, but there's some fireworks in the background. Always something going on in Berlin. Anyway, let's go and continue with So the cool thing is, because it's in a multi-band now, all the distortions, you can play with the amount of the distortion and also even what kind of distortion and what frequency bandwidth has to take place. And also, as it is a multiband, you can all change the mix amount for each band separately. Nice. Let's add a low pass filter. Nice. Sounds super nice already. So that's already a nice Reese, I think. And from there you can of course start the typical stuff, filtering, modulation, random, band passing, the stuff you can do to make it even more interesting. But as a basic foundation, this is already super nice. Let's add another, just for the fun, cool distortion effect I super like, thermal from output. And let's also put it just from probably 300 upwards. And there's a super nice preset which I found, this one. And it gives a cool modulation kind of wobble style. Let's have a listen. Yeah, I hope you liked the quick and short tutorial. You can download, of course, as always, the whole project and the preset from my Patreon page. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.